Hey guys, and welcome back to BTech. Today I am going to review Donutn, a website that sells phone cases. I have been seeing them all over social media lately and I was really curious to see what they were all about. Donutn is a website that sells personalized phone cases. You can choose from a variety of different designs, colors and materials. They also have a section where you can create your own custom phone case. And they also offers free shipping on all orders over $25 and you will get your order within a week. And the quality of the phone cases is excellent. They have made from a durable material that feels like it will protect my phone from drops and scratches. The printing is also high quality and does not look like it will fade or peel over time. I love that they offer so many customization options. You can choose from a variety of designs, colors and materials. And the phone cases are very affordable. They start at just $9.99. And it is not just about personalization, it's about style with a sprinkle of sauce. And we have got cases that are trendy, eye-catching, playful animal print and dreamy watercolor swirls. And the best part, they deliver straight to your door within 7 to 15 working days and no need to worry about payment either. They accept debit card, credit card, Apple Pay and Google Pay. They all have phone cases specially for girls. They have got a whole collection dedicated to making your phone the ultimate fashion statement. Think glitter, think rainbows, think sauce. These cases are practically begging to be paired with your outfit. And I am really impressed with these phone cases. They have a great selection of high quality phone cases at affordable prices. I would definitely recommend them to anyone looking for a new phone case. If you are looking for a new phone case, so must check it out. The link is available in the video description. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any questions. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.